This is the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and I think we should start by taking a look inside the box. So, we have the leaflet that tells us we must update the camera, information on subscribing to GoPro, instructions on how to mount things into the camera, and a couple of stickers. We got some tips on best cold weather performance, some product and safety information, USB-C cable, Enduro battery, the curved mount, a low profile clip, the screw adapter, and finally the camera itself. Yes, your camera must be updated. The same form factor as the previous few cameras, so all your older accessories will work. You've got your new screw hole on the bottom, as well as your fold out finger mounts. Line up the holes like that. And then pop the screw through and then tighten it up. And then this will clip into things like this mount here. And then you put that locking part in so it can't be unlocked by accident. Because first you need to lift this part up before you can then squeeze these together in order to pop it free from whatever you mount it in. So here you have it, everything that you get inside the box.